Let's now go to integumentary disorders. Let's discuss pruritus. Pruritus or itching is actually a form of pain. Many localized and generalized conditions present with the symptom of itch. In addition, pruritus is associated with many environmental factors which should be evaluated as potential contributing features. Occasionally, systemic illness may be associated with pruritus. Therefore, a careful history must precede and the physical examination. So we asked the patient for onset, was the onset sudden or gradual? Quality and location describe the intensity of the pruritus. Where is the patient experiencing pruritus? Pattern and duration. Is the pruritus worse at night or during particular seasons? Pruritus associated with scabies is often worse at night. Associated symptoms or conditions. We ask about associated symptoms or conditions, including rash or lesions, asthma, and allergies. Patients with atopic dermatitis often have a history of asthma or chronic allergies. Pruritus often occurs at the site of a rash or lesion. Precipitating factors ask about the presence of insect bites or exposure to insects. Many insect bites are very pruritic. Is the patient taking any medications, specifically aspirin, hormones, opiates, phenothiazine, B12, quinidine, CNS, stimulants, beta blockers, or warfarin? Has the patient traveled recently? Alleviating and aggravating factors. What alleviates the symptoms, like cold compress, topical or oral medications? What aggravates the pruritus, like low humidity or certain fabrics, stress, or cleansers? Bathing habits. How frequently does the patient bathe? What products does he use? Thank you for your attention.